In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden bases in Donut SMP on Minecraft Bedrock. This method is very easy, beginner friendly, and doesn't require any special tool. So make sure to follow along if you are looking to raid bases, find loot, or just locate other players on the server. These simple tips will help you a lot. When you first join Donut SMP, you will usually spawn randomly somewhere in the world. This key here is to pay close attention to your surrounding. Look for blocks or terrain that seem unnatural, anything that looks like a player has interacted with it before. One of the biggest clues is modified terrain. For example, trees that have been partially chopped, random blocks missing, items like obsidian lying around for no reason. These are strong signs that a player has been in this area recently. Another major giveaway is placed blocks. If you spot things like crafting tables, under chest, random pillars going straight up into the sky, that almost always means player activity. A random enter chest in the middle of nowhere is a huge clue that someone has been traveling or living nearby. Once you find altered chunks, don't stop there. Start exploring the nearby area, walk through surrounding chunks, follow any strange blocks placements, look for paths, holes, or entries. Or most players accidentally leave a trail. You just need to follow it. If you have a pickaxe and a shovel, I highly recommend digging down. Why? Because many players hide their bases underground to avoid being found. So check caves, underground tunnels, hidden staircases. Very often bases are just below the surface. To summarize, the best way to find bases on Donut SMP is simple. Spawn randomly and look for terrain that other players have modified. That's it. Once you spot player activity, follow the signs, dig smart, and you will eventually find a base. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing. According to our channel stats, 83% of people watching are not subscribed, and subscribing really helps us create better and higher quality content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.